Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We are gonna start with these pieces, which are for the front and back of the gift bags. And start gluing the sides from this corner so we can make sure that this piece is exactly aligned, especially um, for these corners or sections. So this is how the piece is gonna look at the end. We are gonna do this with both right and left side of the gift bags. For the cap, we are gonna fold these two pieces and create like a square, which is going to be the main piece that is gonna work as a lid for the gift bags. And then we are creating a cap with these sections along with the one right here. And then this piece needs to have this direction, and then we fold all these sections, and then make sure you put it back in the same direction that I mentioned prior to gluing it with the base for the lid. So now this is the shape that needs to have at front, and I'm gonna put it on top of the bags, and this helps also to keep it exactly square wise, so I highly recommend to do it this way. So I'm gonna glue the corners also to make this position stable, and remove it after that if I need to, but I definitely recommend to glue the cap on top of this, keeping that section on top of the bags. So now what I'm gonna do here is I need to glue this piece, so I'm gonna flip it over like I did. Again, I flip it over, and then I'm gonna flip this one like that also, and I'm gonna add some glue then flip it this way, and just try to make it center as much as you can. And then put it back on the box. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna start gluing these sections like this. I'm gonna do it with regular glue, but I highly recommend to do this part with hot glue because the pieces will attach easily. And then these corners have these cut sections already. You can cut even more, a little bit more if you need to, and then you just have to glue it in this position. This is gonna give some sort of shape to the cap, and I recommend to do it slow because we don't want to rip the cardstock. And glue first each corner that has these cut sections, and then glue the one in the center. So I'm doing right and left right now at front, or for the front of the cap. And then I'm gonna glue this section right here. And then I'm gonna continue gluing first the corners, and then the center, the pieces that are in the center, so to speak, all around, until I have all my pieces glued. So if you use hot glue, the step will be faster because you won't have to wait until the glue is dry, or where it's actually very well glued. And then after that, yeah, we can go ahead and take it out, take the lid out or cap out of the box, and just use some clips to keep these pieces if you need to. This will okay, so now with this piece, I'm gonna glue it all around, and it will give some shape to the cap. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this piece inside of the cap, because this will make this the section that is higher on your right fit the left side, so that way when you cover the box, it's not gonna go all the way down, but it's gonna stay here. So I'm gonna put it right here. And you can do this at any time during the cap process, or you can do it at the end as I'm doing it. Make sure it has enough glue so it doesn't interfere when you are covering the box. So it's gonna go right here, aligned to the bottom of my cup. And this is the very final result. Now with the word congrats inside of the box. If you wanna see the steps to create this, check one of my other tutorials to create graduation gift boxes that have these steps, but I pretty much use ribbon and the letters glued on it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.